For me, compassion is much more than kind counsel or warm feelings. For me, compassion is really a response of the deepest part of our being to the presence of suffering. It's the natural, appropriate response to the presence of suffering. You know, the word compassion, as we normally define it, usually translates as suffering with others. And this little word in the middle, with, seems so important to me because this implies a certain kind of intimacy. An intimacy not only with the other, but also with myself. So if I'm going to be a compassionate presence with someone, for example, who's dying, that means I have to have done my own homework. I have to have looked at these issues myself. I have to have gone toward my own suffering and discovered the role that compassion had to play in my own life. For me, compassion is best expressed as a kind of intimacy. And this intimacy is, could be expressed as a kind of attunement, really, a precise attunement with the suffering. Compassion doesn't make any demands. It doesn't have any shoulds. It doesn't have any agendas. It has to care fully and completely for the person and for their suffering. But for me, compassion is a kind of guidance. And for guidance to be worthwhile, for there to be a true guide, that guide has to care absolutely for you. It has to care completely for you. It has to understand what matters most to you.